Welcome back to AP Biology in under 3 minutes. No time for intros, let's get into it. So last topic, we talked about how water gets its unique properties from the atoms that make it up. But water isn't the only molecule that living organisms rely on. In fact, life itself is built from just a handful of important elements, with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen being the most common. Carbon here is especially important because it can form 4 covalent bonds, and it serves as the backbone of biological molecules. And specifically, organic molecules are the name for molecules featuring carbon atoms that make up living organisms. And so what ends up happening is that organisms take atoms and molecules from their environment and use elements like carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen to build 4 major macromolecules. Each of these we will go over in future topics. For now, what you need to know is that each of them are made up of various things. Carbohydrates are made primarily of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, or the acronym CHO. Proteins are built primarily from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. And some proteins also contain sulfur, making the acronym CHONS. Lipids are made primarily of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. However, phospholipids, which are a specific type of lipid, also contain phosphorus, making the lipids acronym CHO, or sometimes CHOP. And finally, nucleic acids contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus, making the acronym CHONP. And with that, here are the 4 macromolecules on the screen just to make it easier for you. And actually, that will be all for this topic. On the screen now are AP style questions for this topic. Please pause the video now. I'll put the answers on the screen now. I will see you in the next one.